How to delete friends in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and want to remove someone from your friend list, first of all, open up the game on your device, and once you do, go ahead and click on menu button at the top right corner. Now from the menu option, select Friends. Inside Friends, go to Friends List and look for the friend you want to delete. I only have one friend over here. I'll just delete the friend so that you can learn. From the friend list, find the friend you want to delete, tap on their profile picture, and in the pop-up, click on Remove. Now, in the pop-up, click Confirm on the right. And soon after you hit that, you will be able to delete the friend from your friend list. So that's how you delete a friend in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.